Hello everyone, today we're going to look at how to pronounce this word and what it means. The word is forsake. Forsake. Forsake means abandon or leave. Synonyms of forsake are abandon, leave, quit. Example: I can't forsake a friend in trouble. I can't forsake a friend in trouble. Here forsake is in verb. And verb is one of the 8 parts of speech. A verb is a word that expresses action, state of being, or a relation between two things in a sentence. Example: she is smiling in front of the audience. That airplane was flying above the clouds. See you in the next video. Bye.